You need to let someone know where you're going. Follow these winter safety tips. Winter tires. They're specially designed tires that have special traction compounds. So when the temperature drops down, these tires grip more. Kind of like a cat's nails. When they retract, they grip. That's how your tires grip on the road. They're also tires for all weather, winter, spring, fall. These tires, most of you have this on your car. You want to check your tires for even wear. They need to be rotated about every 3 to 5,000 miles. Your front tires need to go to the back. Your back tires need to go to the front. And then you do diagonal. Your passenger front tire needs to go to your left rear. Your left front needs to go to your right rear. So you get even wear. When we turn right, our front tires wear to the right. When we turn left, our front tires wear to the left. So we have front tires that have less tread than our rear tires. So we're set up for a situation where we're going to skid. See, your uncle's teaching you so much. This is bringing you value. Tap, tap, tap. All season tires are good. Most of you have all season tires. If you live in a cold weather climate, you're probably going to have cold weather tires. When you're taking your driving test, they will have the testing area clean of snow and debris. If the roads are clean, they will take you on a route that might be reduced because of weather. You still need to be able to make a right turn. We talked about making right turns. You've got to look left, right, and left. If you don't look and you pull out in front of a car, that's failure. If you don't stop on a red and check for a sign, no right turn on red, and if you stop and you make a right turn on red when there's a sign there, you've just failed. FAILD. You failed. So use my tips. Use my information. If you have anxiety, it's called gradual release. You practice just before heavy traffic hits.